Hey y'all, Star Fox here. Today, we're just gonna let y'all know that today we're back on hunting season. Sprint hunting season. Previously we kinda hunted a lot of animals, but for now, we're gonna hunt some more. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah, we're gonna hunt a bear down. That's right, a bear! Let's go. Just waiting. uh, we're on the road again. Even though I'm in the road again, I'm going to hunt some bears. It's bear season. I'm gonna hunt a bear. A bear season. Alright. I say, hey now we will rock. Nobody can stop us now. Alright. Here's something over there. Some meat. Herbs. 50 bucks. That's what I call beef. It's on the move. So easy. Okay. Once a farmer had a dog. E-I-E-I-O. A pig. Wild boar. So shot in the leg. Not 2 bullets. But this is a bear. Yeah. So this bear and ducks. What That's cool. Here we are at the wilderness. Just maybe one won't hurt. Darn it, he skipped. We're gonna start this one. I already have it work. Shoot, I scared her. Darn it. Yes. Oh my god. That was a lucky shot. Lucky shot. Got him. Shot him with organs. Oh well. Oh, good looks. Just plenty of animals. Yeah, whatever. Just more animals. It's there, so. You know what this means? Take and go. Take and go, fellas. Take it. Is that a bear? Is that a bear? Oh. Alright, kill one of those guys. Oh, the jail, y'all. Haha, deer. It's a deer. Deers. Whatever. Still killing deer. I should kill a female. Sure. At least I gotta kill a female. Bro, they notice already? Darn it. You can run, but you can't hide. I will catch you. I will exterminate all of you. I think I lost the deers. There's goes my only chance of flavor. So blood. Should be close by. These deers. Oh, I killed one. Finally. Bag him up. Collecting some supplies. There's gonna be shoot. Darn it. Got him. There's one right now. Guys, I found a bear. We finally found a bear. He's on the move. What? Darn it. He's on the move. He's on the move. Go, go, go. Don't lose him. Found a bear. Found a bear. Papa bear. Mom bear. Found a bear. Yeah, I think I sniped him 2 times. Oh, he died. Oh, he's dead. Oh, he's dead. Take that, berry. Brown bear. Bag him up. Yip, yip, yip. Alright, we finally found the bear. I hunted him down. I thought he was gonna attack me, but no, he ran away like a jerk. Let's see if there's... How do you guys feel like me hunting a ram? Go on. Got one. Oh my god, I almost got him. He's on the move. He better not move if it's hurt. If he moves if it's hurt, we're cooked. Cause I think he's... No, please don't tell me. No. Is that him? Yeah, that gotta be him. Got him. Oh my god. Ah. So fast, I see. But you're gonna die eventually. Yeah, that's him, alright. I think that's him. Sell this one. I think we found our victim. Come here! Darn it! Why you a panic? Dead. Dead. Down. Big bro. I think this was gonna give me a good price about now. Yeah, this one looks good. Yeah, bag him up. I wonder if the deer's still there. Let's see if the deer's still there. So be sure. Cause there's the deer. Oh my god, she just... Get him. Get him. Get him. He's there. He's red. You can't hide over deer. I can follow you. Let's see. Here, dear, 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 dear. I won't harm you. I just want to sell you. Or get a man. End of the line, bucko. Duh. Oh my god. Why is this guy likes running? Don't worry, he'll eventually die. See? Told ya. Takes one sniper at a time to kill deer. Right, here it is. Oh, full. Oh well. Let's just hunt one more. No! You little... Tired of this. Let me hunt one more. Who should I kill? The pig or the deer? I think I'll kill the pig. Ah, it's got bad aiming. That's got some bad aiming here. Come here, piggy. You can't run. You can't hide. Oh. Alright, yeah. $3. Shoot. Bro, get him. Get him. I need to complete my mission. Running. I can run for it. You little sucker. Come here, you little sucker. Bruh. You think you can run from me? No, you can't. It's a raccoon. I shot him in the brain. His brain is damaged. Takes one bullet, I just headshotted him. Oh well. So, yeah. Alright, let's head home.